Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to manage a minimum and maximum product limit for wholesale orders for a group of customers in your Shopify store. For example, if you have a wholesale group and you want them to purchase at least 20 but not more than 100 units per products, this video will help you to set that up easily step by step. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this app, I'm using B2B Order Limit app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and you can go for the order limit section. So click from here and click on Create New Role. Since we are limiting the order with the product quantity, let's go for product limit section. So click on select from product limit and give any rule or any rule name for here. Let's say like minimum and maximum rule set for gold members. Let's say like that. And if you have any description or any additional notes to describe why this rule or what this rule does, those things you can add up here. Let's say like I'm giving a rule set for gold members with a minimum purchase limit as 5 and a maximum as 30 here. So this will describe all my rule combinations and the insights from here. And if you have any customer targeting, now I have a customers with specific tag as goal, like I'm planning to restrict this rule among my golden members. So if you don't have any other restrictions, go for all customers. Otherwise, you can also choose those customers who spend above a particular amount of limit. And in case of product limit section, just you can add the products. So on clicking add products, this we can browse the list of products available in the store. Let's say like I'm adding these 4 products. If you have any multiple, you can add more. So I'm added only 4 here and clicked on select, and you can add the minimum and maximum quantity here. So my minimum quantity will be 5 and maximum will be 20. 30. Let's say 30 here. So the minimum quantity of these products should be 5 to be purchased and the maximum will be 30 per unit of these products. So in case of advanced settings, you can use either a custom message one or the default one. So if you want any customized messages to show up in the checkout page, then go for enabling this and add the wordings or the message here in this field. Otherwise, keep it disabled so that you will be getting the by default messages in the checkout page. So in case of display settings, you can just enable it so that the error or the restrictions will be there in the cart itself. Otherwise, they will be in the checkout page. So before going to save the changes, make sure that the status is active and then save it. Now let's test this up in our online store. So my product, I have some products in my cart. Let's try to check out this. And all these 4 products are my products which I have added from the add products list from the product limit section. So you can see that the maximum quantity of 30 allowed for one of the product which is mentioned here. Currently it's 50. So there are 50 products which is above my maximum quantity level, so that this product is violated the rule. Hence, we are showing the error messages. And this error message is showing because we have added the golden members details or the golden customer details here. Let's try with some other customer details. Now I'm adding some other customers which are not tagged with gold. Now you can see that that error message has gone even with the maximum quantity rule has violated here. Now let's try minimum quantity requirement. Let's say like I'm adding only 1 product of this unit. Now I have only one product or one unit per this product. And this is my non-gold member. So there won't be any messages showing up. Let's try with the golden customer details. Now you can see that the minimum and maximum error is showing together. Like the minimum quantity of 5 is required for this product, which is this one, and the maximum quantity of 30 only allowed for this product, and that is this one. So that's why how you can set up a minimum and maximum product limit uh, restrictions on your wholesale store. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.